proceed with the program. We celebrate this Jamhuri Day as we celebrate our forefathers and the men and women whose sacrifice and foresight assembled us from all corners, from all communities, all faiths, all beliefs, all walks of life, and assembled us into a nation that we are proudly Kenyan today. And inspired by the foundation they set, today we are assembled as a people, inspired by this firm foundation, so that we can build on that foundation and build the bridges of unity, togetherness, and friendship, so that together we can eliminate hate, negative ethnicity, and eliminate division, and build together on that foundation to be able to forge the largest transformation in our history. And I am confident that accelerating from the big four, we will ensure that every Kenyan has a decent meal. We will ensure that through agro-processing, value addition, manufacturing, and the housing program, millions of our young people will get jobs. And therefore, Your Excellency, I am proud today that your leadership will give us the best possible opportunity to roll out the largest ever witnessed transformation in our nation, starting from the Big Four agenda. Your Excellency, it is now my very humble duty to request your guest, the Prime Minister of Barbados, Your Excellency Mia Motley, to make her statement. Your Excellency.